Welcome to Meditation Music Mind channel. You will get information about law of vibration in this video. Everybody in the world is so obsessed with the law of attraction. However, it is secondary law. Law of vibration is first law of universe. If you really want to get master in law of attraction, then it is very much important for you to have a practice and a good knowledge of law of vibration. As you know, everything in the world have energy and energy have vibration. It means indirectly everything has vibration. Please don't get confused in this. I will repeat myself again. Everything in the world has energy and energy have vibration. It means indirectly everything has a vibration. Microscope is a great tool invented in our scientific world to look at things very closely. If you look at things by a microscope, then you will see each thing has a vibration, means energy. Look like things are shaking and dancing in a specific pattern. You can even include human body in this. Yes, you heard me correctly. You can see your skin by microscope. You will see vibration in your skin. And this is the reason it is pretty much important for everyone on this planet to learn about law of vibration. Person who is able to match his vibration frequency with universal vibrational frequency, that person is able to attract almost anything he wants. Health, wealth, love, relationships, happiness, just anything. However, there are many people in the world. They are able to attract what they want. And reason behind this is they are able to match their vibrations. Also, there are many people in the world. They are unable to attract what they want. And reason behind this is they are unable to match their vibrations. And failure is the thing where they can give up and stop practicing when they don't see result. Try to understand this. The law we call gravity. It doesn't care if you are poor, rich, black, white, Asian, disabled, sad, happy. It's going to do its thing. It's going to do its job. It's not going to wait for you. It's going to do its job 100% every time without any exception. Isn't it a great thing? Now think, what does it really mean? Are you going to get benefit out of it? If you will really ask me, I will say yes, of course. You really need to practice things to generate vibration in your body to attract things. How are you going to do that? Well, I will tell you. Just try to follow my guidance word by word. First of all, I want you to please have a belief in your mind about universal laws. Second, I want you to be happy and positive all the time. Yes, yes, yes. You heard me right all the time. I know initially you will find difficulties, but I'm sure gradually things will get easier for you. Now, I want you to be specific what you want in life. On initial stage, you can start with only one thing. Don't try to focus in multiple things. Let's start with the money. Everyone in the world want money. So I think this is the best example to give you all. You can apply this logic on anything you want in life. Now listen to me carefully. If you want money now, you have to vibrate with money. Figure out how much money you want in life. You really need to be specific and set your goal. You can set higher and lower number. It is totally up to you. You can choose any currency. It is up to you. Now, I want you to imagine that you already have that amount of money in your bank account. You already claim that money. Imagine where you are going to spend that money. Are you going to buy a new car? Or are you going to buy a new house? Just try to build crazy imaginations which will give you tremendous happiness. Allow that happiness to create vibrations in your body. Remember, you need to maintain that vibration in your body to attract your desired amount. You need to practice this exercise to build vibration in your body. That's it. You just need to be consistent with that. Stop complaining about everything. Just keep in mind, consistency is the key to attract your desire. Trust me, this is really going to help you if you are going to follow this every day. Yes, every single day. Always remember, vibration is a primary law of the universe, and you can use this law by practicing it on daily basis, and soon you will become master of it. You cannot attract things without creating vibrations in your body. Vibration is a key element. It is a crucial to attract anything. Good day.